Germany's iconic automaker Volkswagen once again finds itself at the center of a growing storm in Europe's manufacturing sector. The company has announced temporary pauses in the production of two key models, one of them being the legendary Golf, a nameplate that has defined generations. These models are among Volkswagen's most important vehicles, and the production halt is directly linked to the escalating dispute between the Netherlands and China over semiconductor maker Nexperia. As many of you know, the Dutch government seized control of Nexperia, a Chinese-owned semiconductor manufacturer, on September 30th. It invoked the Goods Availability Act, a Cold War-era law citing national and European economic security risks. But in reality, this move looked more like a corporate smash and grab, reportedly carried out under US pressure. At first glance, Volkswagen's explanation seems simple and reasonable. The company said the pauses were long planned to manage inventory and logistics. But let's be honest, when automakers start talking about planned pauses, it usually means something just hit the fan. Behind that corporate phrasing lies a larger, more troubling story, one that connects geopolitics, global supply chains, and the future of Europe's industrial resilience. Nexperia, headquartered in the Netherlands but owned by China's Wingtech Technology, is a major semiconductor producer. The Dutch government's extraordinary move to seize the company was unprecedented and deeply controversial. Beijing swiftly retaliated by blocking exports of Nexperia's finished semiconductor products, triggering shockwaves across Europe's automotive sector, where these chips are as essential as caffeine in a Monday morning meeting. The EU seems to be shooting itself in the foot, this time with both barrels, driven by short-sighted and overly ambitious policies.
Es ist etwas zurückgekehrt in den letzten 2-3 Jahren in Deutschland, von dem ich gehofft hatte, dass man es überwunden hat. Dass Beschäftigte an den Küchentischen mit ihren Familien sitzen und darüber diskutieren, ob die eigene Beschäftigung, ob der eigene Arbeitsplatz noch sicher ist. Diese Unsicherheit zieht ein in unserer Gesellschaft, verbunden mit der Frage, ob man das Haus noch weiter abbezahlen kann oder die Wohnung. Und ich kann euch nur sagen, wenn ich auf die letzten 2-3 Jahre gucke, dann hat sich dieses Gespräch, das ich hier gerade widerspiegel, das hat sich vermehrt.
Volkswagen has tried to distance itself from the Nexperia controversy, insisting that Nexperia is not a direct supplier. However, the automaker admitted that some components from Nexperia reach its factories indirectly through Tier 1 suppliers. In a statement to CNBC, Volkswagen said it is in close contact with all relevant stakeholders to identify potential risks early, and acknowledged that short-term production effects cannot be ruled out. Germany's powerful automotive lobby, the VDA, has also warned that the China-Netherlands dispute could cause significant production restrictions in the near future. Meanwhile, reports from Bild newspaper suggest that Volkswagen is preparing for deeper contingency measures, including talks with labor authorities about a state-backed reduced working hours program, potentially affecting tens of thousands of employees.